And here's a tape looks like of Tarzan, The Lost City. Was born on September 12th, 1998.
Of a lifetime. The fun. The laughs. The adventure. The excitement. In the biggest family event in Hollywood history. The Warner Brothers 75th Anniversary Collection, commemorating 75 years of movie magic for the entire family. Unforgettable hits like Space Jam, A Little Princess, The Amazing Panda Adventure, Black Beauty, Superman, It Takes Two, and Free Willy. So share these timeless classics with your family by starting your own Warner Brothers 75th Anniversary Collection. Look for special 75th Anniversary videos at stores near you. And be sure to check specially marked packages for valuable savings. Collect the laughs. Collect the fun. Collect them all. The Warner Brothers 75th Anniversary Collection. Only from Warner Home Video. What if angels walked among us, silent and unseen?
No one can see you unless you want them to.
And one of them,
What if I want her to?
fell in love with one of us.
He can give up his existence as he knows it and become human.
Nicolas Cage, Meg Ryan,
I'm in love with you.
City of Angels. Behind every great man, there stands a greater man.
Good morning.
He's got a head like luggage. Yeah, this guy's on climate.
Oh, please don't say fee, fi, fo, fum.
Castle Rock Entertainment presents a comedy of incredible proportions. Yes! My Giant.
This season, the funniest guys in baseball, take a deep breath and let it rip, are back in a completely different league.
You are out of here!
They're just 9 players short of a dream team.
That's cool.
Oh, God, I love this team.
The diamond has never been so rough.
Get the trainer. Better bring back ice.
Major League, back to the minors.
For more than 40 years, the world lived on the brink of nuclear annihilation. A landmark television series, Cold War, an unforgettable exploration of the defining struggle of our times. The whole story from those who lived it, intimate reflections by those on the front lines, and the leaders who guided their nations through history's most dangerous age. Cold War. Own it now on home video.
Now available on video. See Gone with the Wind as you've never seen it before in its original Technicolor glory and with a remastered digital soundtrack. The romance.
Kiss me once.
The event.
God is my witness. I'll never be hungry again.
Bring home the biggest film of all time, the way it was meant to be seen. Gone with the Wind. Own it on video and DVD.
This is a modified and false original version. It's been formatted for your screen.